Welcome to qnawire.
The degrees of freedom is calculated as the first sample's variance or standard deviation squared over its sample size plus the second sample's standard deviation squared over its sample size squared divided by the first sample standard deviation squared over its sample size squared over the degrees of freedom, which is one less than the sample size, plus the second sample standard deviation over its sample size squared over its degrees of freedom, or one less than its sample size. And so we know that the first sample standard deviation is 0.58. And has a sample size of 40. And the second sample had a standard deviation of 1.25 over its sample size of 60. And then let's see what to round to, but I'll go to the nearest integer. Let's see where we're at. There's about 89 degrees of freedom.